How your body switches fuel. Let's learn. Welcome in, here's the science that rules. Your body runs on fuel, let's talk the molecules. Normally you're a con, carbs are sugar-powered race. But cut the bread, the past is gone, you enter a new space. Now your system craves fat, butter in the tank. Your liver's the kitchen, whipping up what you drank. Fats break down, tiny ketones appear. Fuel for your brain like a backup engineer.
Ketosis, the fat-burning mode.
Keeps eating tasty oils, mnemonic so you know. Switch your fuel, torch the fat, watch the energy flow. Your brain loves ketones when glucose gets low. Quick sugar's gone, but the power don't slow.
Keto, switch the engine, let the knowledge ignite. Running on fat, keep your mind sharp, bright. Glycogen fades, ketones light up the zone. From carbs to fat, now you're burning your own.
Let's get into terms, carbohydrates, the quick spark. Sugar in disguise, glucose leaves its mark. G equals go fast juice, but now we cut it back. Just 20 grams a day, keep the macros on track. Fatty acids, Lego blocks, snap and burn. Mitochondria, tiny power plants always yearn. Your liver flips the switch, ketones in supply. Pack away sugar, insulin says goodbye.
Insulin, storing less. Sugar's getting less pressed. Keto, switch the engine, let the knowledge ignite. Running on fat, keep your mind sharp, bright. Electrolytes drop, eat your salt, don't fight. Keep your system balanced, power thunder right. Keto, switch the engine, let the knowledge ignite. Running on fat, keep your mind sharp, bright. Electrolytes drop, eat your salt, don't fight. Keep your system balanced, power thunder right.
Why go keto fast, weight loss, mental clarity's found. Epilepsy, focus, diabetes, keto stands its ground. 1940s doctors tried, seizures hit the wall. Switch the brain's fuel and the kids stand tall.
The sugar bank muscles hold it tight, burn through it fast and fat burns bright. Electrolytes, salty superhero, sodium, mag K. You pee 'em out, eat avocados, nuts every day. Macros, big nutrients, fats take the lead. Olive oil, cheese, eggs, energy you need, your body adapts. Fat adapted in weeks, craving for sugar, that feeling peaks then leaks. Keto, switch the engine, now you know what's inside. Hybrid carb, back on fat, steady energy ride. Net carbs, fiber, sweets, count only what you use. Keto knowledge, now you choose your fuel, never lose.
Butter, coffee, rocket boost, but beware ketoacidosis. Cheat days, flip the mode. Listen, always check prognosis, not for everyone. Doctor first, then explore your fuel switch. Knowledge rich, that's what keto's for.